They don't value you because you made it too easy to ignore your worth. Silence can command respect if it's backed by discipline. 1. Set boundaries without explaining. Boundaries are not aggression, they are self-respect made visible. When you stop over-explaining, people stop overstepping. A man with standards feels grounded and solid. He does not argue for his limits. He lives them. Boundaries tell the world where respect begins. They filter who belongs in your life. They protect your time, your energy, your focus. They turn presence into value. They turn silence into authority. Action. Say no calmly. Say it once. Do not justify it. 2. Build emotional independence. Dependence creates pressure. Independence creates desire. When your peace does not rely on others, you become magnetic. You enjoy connection, but you are not ruled by it. You choose, not cling. You stand whole, even alone. This calm self-sufficiency lowers tension. It raises respect. It changes how you are perceived. People feel your stability. They lean toward it. Action. Build routines that don't involve them. Train your body. Sharpen your mind. 3. Use intentional absence. Constant presence lowers value. Absence restores weight. You don't disappear to manipulate. You step back to rebalance. Silence creates contrast. Contrast creates awareness. Awareness creates appreciation. People feel what they lose. They notice what's missing. They remember your impact. Action. Stop initiating everything. Let silence carry part of the message. 4. Live with consistent integrity. Integrity is silent credibility. Your words matter because your actions confirm them. You don't promise much. But what you promise, you deliver. Consistency builds trust without speeches. People relax around reliability. They stop questioning your intent. They stop testing your limits. Your reputation speaks before you do. And it speaks well. Action. Keep small promises. Speak less. Deliver more. 5. Display strength quietly. Loud strength seeks validation. Quiet strength earns respect. You don't announce your value. You embody it. Competence creates gravity. Humility removes resistance. People notice results before words. They feel confidence without pressure. They respect what doesn't beg to be seen. Silence becomes your amplifier. Action. Master your craft in private. Let others notice on their own. 6. Listen more than you speak. Listening is controlled dominance. Most people talk to be seen. You listen to understand. This calm attention disarms defenses. It reveals truth. It creates depth. People feel heard, and therefore exposed. They respect the one who holds space. Silence becomes leverage. Presence becomes heavier. Action. Pause before responding. Ask fewer, deeper questions. 7. Stay calm under pressure. Emotional control is authority. When others react, you remain still. Calm in chaos signals power. People trust the one who does not panic. They follow composure. They lean into steadiness. Your calm lowers the room's noise. Your restraint sets the tone. Strength shows through control, not force. Action. Slow your breath. Lower your voice. Respond, don't react. 8. Invest relentlessly in self-growth. Growth changes how people see you. A man who evolves cannot be ignored. Discipline shapes presence. Progress commands respect. Learning sharpens judgment. Training hardens resolve. Improvement compounds quietly. Others feel the momentum. They sense direction. They respect movement. Action. Read daily. Train consistently. Improve one thing every week. 9. Express gratitude with strength. Gratitude is not submission. It is awareness. You acknowledge value without shrinking yourself. You appreciate without dependency. This balance creates mutual respect. People feel seen, not superior. Your words carry weight because they are rare. Sincerity replaces flattery. Respect replaces approval seeking. Connection deepens naturally. Action. Thank people clearly. Don't overdo it. Mean what you say. 10. Be vulnerable without weakness. Controlled vulnerability builds depth. You share truth, not insecurity. You open without collapsing. Confidence holds the silence after honesty. People trust courage more than perfection. They value authenticity with backbone. You don't ask to be saved. You stand while being real. That strength is rare and unforgettable. Action. Speak honestly when it matters. Stand firm in who you are. They don't value you until you stop negotiating your worth. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Silent Stoic. So each day, you become stronger and more calm. Which principle will you start living today? Leave a comment below.